Hi everyone, welcome to our Navaa Kidzee. Our senior KG little stars are ready for the animal character walk and role play. Let's enjoy the show.
Good morning all. I am Ananya. I am a lion. Lion is a wild animal. Lion is a king of the forest and is a very fast runner. Lion eats the flesh. Thank you. Bye. Good morning all. I am a rabbit. I am a pet animal. I am pot. I like to eat salad. Thank you. Hi all. I am a teddy bear. I am soft and fluffy. I have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 small nose. Children love to play with me. Thank you.